I mean, I see it as in two ways. One is uh, you need to identify which are the sectors or segments, uh, market from market perspective as well as from jurisdiction perspective, which is going to cater to your defensive side of things. I mean, you all know that in IP monetization and valuation, there is always an offensive strategy and there is always a defensive strategy. So you need to identify what are your defensive segments, and that is not just dictated by pure IP and technology. That is also very much dictated by several other things. It is dictated by the target market, where you are operating, where your competitors are operating. It is dictated by even the local IP laws of that country. You don't have all the countries which have a very favorable ecosystem that supports your monetization. So probably you might think about what is my strategy in those jurisdictions. So that's on the defensive side of thing. You need to see where you need to build that defensive mode of portfolio. And then when it comes to the offensive side of the things, you need to identify that, okay, which are the regions and sectors which helps the company in getting the maximum ROI. I mean, just to take an example, I was with Honeywell earlier, and then if you Google it, they used just 3 or 4 patents. They filed a patent infringement suit against one of its biggest competitor, and then they got $360 million as the damages. And then the background work, and why that was successful is because the background work which was done before filing that suit was like 4 or 5 years of strategy, business dynamics, target big business segments, and whatnot. Uh, and then in terms, I mean, money is one part of it. In terms of the business impact, $360 million was something which could cater to the IP function, just running of the IP function, operations, IP protection, maintenance, and everything for the next 15 years. So that is the impact which can get generated if you value your portfolio in a right way, and then identify the target pockets and the segments.